Hey guys, my name is Nick, and in this YouTube video I'm gonna be showing you how to buy Webtoon coins. So let's open up Webtoon, just click on it, and now at the very bottom you can find the More tab, just click on it. And now on this page at the very top you can find the Buy Coins button. To buy coins, of course, you need to click on it. Now I advise you to scroll down to the very bottom, and here you can find one-time coin packs. So it's really cool offers. For example, you can get 52 coins for $5, or if you need more coins you can buy, for example, 110 coins for $10. So to do it, just select the necessary pack and click on it. And now you need to add your PayPal to Google Pay in our case, or to App Store, or you can also add a credit or debit card or redeem code. For example, let's select the second way, credit or debit card, and here you need to type your card's information, or you can just scan your card. And if you want to get free coins, you can just use my referral code. Just use it and get free coins. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.